Hey guys, glad to see you on my channel. Today we're making money again on binary options, namely on the pocket option brokerage platform. The registration link will be in the description. Be sure to join and let's earn money together. Today we have an exotic trading strategy using Heiken Ashi candles. Let's set up the platform. Select the Heiken Ashi chart. We also set the time frame, take 30 seconds. The expiration time for this strategy is 2 minutes. And the transaction amount is $44. That is, I open transaction for the entire amount in order not to waste your or my time and try to earn money as quickly as possible. So now I will find the first currency pair and we will open a trade. So friends, we will work with this asset. Here I open a buy position at this point for 2 minutes. Let me explain the reason. Look, as you may have noticed, these are unusual Japanese candles. It's on these candles that price trends are shown to us. If we have a downward trend, then the movement will be quite huge, large, with a huge number of red candles. And vice versa, in a situation where we have an upward trend, a huge number of green candles will be drawn without any hesitation. It is with these candles that we can open fairly confident trades in the direction of the trend. But now specifically in this case I opened a buy position, although you see that our trend seems to be downward. Why did I do this? Well, firstly, because here we have the simplest support level, and support levels work on all charts, so don't forget about that too. And this situation is just an exception to the rule. We are waiting for the result. So friends, our first deal has come to an end. As you can see, I was really able to open the right position in the right direction. That is at the reversal of the downward movement. So we set $84 and move on to the next currency pair. So friends, the next position will be opened on this asset as sell trade is opened here. As you may have noticed, our trend is downward. After our price met a resistance zone, the trend changed and is going down. Therefore, I simply opened for the continuation of the downward trend. And here we look at the result. So friends, as you can see, our trend next deal is coming to an end. We opened with you simply for the continuation of the downward trend and received a 100% confidence signal. Let's see how this picture looks on ordinary Japanese candles. Well, it seems like there is nothing complicated and scary and different from the situation of the high road. Indeed, the trend was downward without any pullbacks. But you and I wouldn't have noted this trend if we weren't at a high speed, because high level is still a serial movement. So we set up on $161 and move on to the next asset. So friends, I will open the next position on this asset, a buy transaction at this point. Look carefully, I think a lot of guys won't understand why I'm opening a position here, but everything is quite simple. Here we have the usual market cyclicality, that is, we see that the trend is downward. Next is a slight lateral movement and a reversal. Downward price movement again, slight lateral movement. We again expect the price to move upward. This is the reason why I opened here to buy. We are waiting for the result. So friends, our next deal is coming to an end. Here we get a plus again. Of course, I would like a slightly different movement, but nevertheless, even with small corrective movements, we closed in the black. We set $306 and move on to the next asset again. So friends, we will open the next trade on this asset. By the way, we have already worked here. Here we open a position for sell because last time we worked with you to buy. Well, now we will work on the sale. Here we have a technical analysis figure called triangle. How is it built? We're experiencing an increase in local minima, but there is no updating of local maxima. That is, we see that we have an incomprehensible mess going on here with local maxima. That is, not each one is higher than the previous one, but they somehow go at random. Here, therefore, now we are waiting for the price to react downward from the resistance level and approach the support level. That is, during this time, we must manage to close in profit, so the reaction happens. I think that so far everything is going as we need it. So we are waiting. So friends, our next deal has come to an end. Here we again get the purest plus, and I think that this is where we will end. As you can see, the strategy is as simple as possible. Look for turning points using support levels. Also pay attention to the seriality of candles and candle combinations, and open a trade in the direction of these movements. In fact, that's the whole strategy. Earn with pleasure. Thanks everyone for watching. See you.